everybody, it's Alex from Wallison Real Estate Investments. I'm back in Chelsea at 19 Suffolk Street. We're standing in the third floor condominium. This one already has a buyer, so we should be letting this one go this upcoming spring. But as you can see, we've painted. We're waiting on our doors and our trim and our kitchen cabinets to arrive. So hopefully in the next 7 to 10 days, we'll have boys back on site doing a lot of hammering, a lot of nailing, and really wrapping up all of the finished trim in the unit. After that, we'll work on painting the doors and trim. And then from there, we can get started on those beautiful hardwood floors that are gonna go throughout the building. So you should really see this building transform, hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks, as all of the hard parts are behind us. And over in the City of Champions and Brockton, Massachusetts, we did accept an offer on 15 West Chestnut Street, a very strong offer. We're excited. So that one's gonna go in about 30 days. And we just listed our 2-family over at 186 North Warren Ave. That bad boy just hit the market. So we're gonna show it this weekend, and we hope to find a nice first-time home buyer to move into this beautiful, cute little 2-family. So quick update on some of the things we've got going on in line with repositioning our business to create as much liquidity as we can so we can reinvest it in these buildings that we have and really iron and push through these last legs of development. So thanks for checking it out. Please share it with your mother, your brother, your lover, and your dad, and hit us up if you have any questions.